Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I'm gonna do my top 5 setting sprays. I have only 5. These are the only 5 setting sprays that I use. I actually have 5, so good for me. Usually I tell you that it is top 5, but I show you 7 products. But today I only have 5 products, 5 setting sprays, and that's all. And that is what I use for doing my makeup, for setting my face, because I don't love a matte face, so I don't use matte setting sprays. I love a good luminous hydrating setting sprays, so I use that. So today I'm going to share all that with you. I'm not sure whether you can say they are from Highend or Drugstore. They are affordable, and one is Highend actually, and if you consider MAC also Highend, so 2 Highend and other 3 are affordable. So today I'm going to share all that, and other videos are also up. This is my last video. I'm pretty sure the setting spray is my last step that I do for my makeup. So today is going to be the last video of this series, top 5 Drugstore Highend series. So I'm actually planning to do different series, but I'll upload those videos maybe from next week or after that. Let's see what kind of series I want to start, because I kind of want to continue the series videos. And do let me know whether you enjoyed the series or not. I'll actually put a link in the description of all the previous top 5 videos, and I'll maybe if possible I'll put a link here also, so just check it out. And if you like the videos, if you like the series, please give a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just start the video. And before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. Please do subscribe. And yeah, let's just start the video. So firstly, going on to my favorite, which is the Morphe setting spray. It is seriously very good. I mean, it is seriously very good, and I actually use it every day. I don't even use my Fix Plus, MAC Fix Plus every day. I have 2 backups of that, but still I use this, and I have already finished one. This is my second bottle. This is also about to finish. And here in Dubai you actually get it only on Glamglow, so whenever it is in stock I will buy, because it gets out of stock very soon and they don't restock it quickly. So if you love this setting if you love this setting spray, do grab it, because they get out of stock. And if you have any of your relatives in US, you can simply ask them to buy it for you. But this is the setting spray that I really love. I mean, this is a continuous setting spray, and if you can see, the mist is so fine, and it also smells very good, and this will actually give you a good radiant finish. And now they have come out with 2 more variants, matte variant as well as the dewy one. I'm very excited to try the dewy one, but I'm not sure when it will be available on Glamglow. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks. It is a very good spray, and the mist is very fine, but this is really good. You won't get big droplets of liquid on your face. Sometimes the setting sprays does that, but this won't do that, and it is very fine, so it will be distributed on your face very well. And actually you will be obsessed, because it is seriously very good, and it keeps your face radiant all the time. So I usually do my entire face makeup, I set my face, and then I use it just to lock in, and so that my makeup and all the powders gets absorbed and melted in a good way. And after I'm done with my entire video, I again use it for just locking up my makeup. And if you don't want to just spray it on your face, you can also wet your sponge, whatever you're using on your face to do your foundation, you can just spray on your sponge, and also you can use it on your face, so it kind of looks very good and looks natural. And if you want to use, you can also use this to wet your eyeshadow, so it gives you a nice metallic finish. Every setting spray you can use. Usually people use only Fix Plus to wet the brush so that your eyeshadow looks metallic, but I think you can use all the setting sprays to do that. And seriously, this is very good. So in US it is for $16. On Morphe website you can actually use any of the influencers code, and you will get I think 5% off or 10% off, I'm not sure. And on Glamglow it is for 87 dirhams. You will never get this on offer, because they have very limited stock, and it gets out of stock very fast. When I had ordered it, I had ordered 3, because it gets out of stock very fast. So it is for 87 dirhams, so just keep that in mind. Then going on to MAC Fix Plus, They have two variants. Firstly, they had only this original one, which is this. Then later on they came out with different scents. I think they have rose, lavender and coconut and maybe cucumber as well, but I prefer the original one, and maybe I'll prefer the coconut one. I am not interested in cucumber or rose or lavender, so I have this. Then later on they came out with this Fix Plus, and it has a bunch of shimmers to it. Actually it settles down at the bottom, so you have to shake it before using it, but I don't know whether you can see, but all the powder is actually stuck at the bottom. So whenever you spray it on your face, it will give you, I don't know whether you can see, but it looks pretty good. And there is a tiny ball at the bottom, so that it helps you to mix the powders, the shimmers to it. So when you apply this on your face, it will give you a nice glow and sheen to it. But I am not very big fan of this one. I am a fan of the original one because it is original and it gives, I mean, that doesn't make any difference. I seriously can't see any difference in that, but this is very good, and this will make your makeup last for a very long time. And this will also hydrate your face. If you're feeling hot, you can just spray on your bare skin, and you will actually feel refreshed, and it will set your makeup. Do your makeup, set this so that it melts all your powders into your skin, and use it at the end of your entire makeup so that it locks up your makeup. This also has a fine mist, but the Morphe one is on some other level, so this is also very good, and I have a backup. When it was on discount, I actually got it for a much cheaper price. Got 2 more backups, so I already have that because I use setting spray every day, so I need setting spray as a backup also, because my makeup can't be completed without setting spray. And usually I use MAC Fix Plus to wet my brush if I want to use an metallic eyeshadow or eyeshadow which is not looking metallic in the pan, but I want it to look metallic or shimmery. I usually wet my brush and use it. So this is for 100 dirhams in Dubai, and in US it is I think for $28. So if you find it for a cheaper price, better. And whenever there is discount on MAC in store, you can get it for I think for 70 or 75 dirhams. You can check it out. And usually this shimmer one you have I think in pink light and gold light. Usually gold light gets out of stock, so I think that would be much better, but when I had got it, it was out of stock. But you can see it looking so pretty. Then going on to the new setting spray, which is the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Spray Illuminating Spray. So even this has a bunch of shimmers at the bottom, so you have to shake it before using it. That is why it's written Shake and Glow. So I had got this from Look Fantastic Middle East website. Here in Dubai, on Lifestyle, on Namshi, anywhere I simply can't find, and I am not sure whether this is limited edition or not. If it is limited edition, because it is seriously very good and I really love it. It gives you a very beautiful glow. It makes your makeup dewy and it will set your face. Even the mist is very fine, very fine, and you can actually control how much you want to use. It smells very good actually, but it is seriously very good, and it is only available on Look Fantastic Middle East, and I think it is for only 35 dirhams. And if you find offer buy 2 get 1, you can get for a cheaper price or 15-20% off. But in US it is I think for $14.99. Let me just tell you how much is there in each bottle. So the Morphe one has 79.4 grams, 2.8 ours. So, and in MAC you have 3.4. So क्या चल रहा है ये ऊपर? Please kindly ignore the noises that keep happening. But MAC has 3.4 O's. The Morphe one has 2.8, and the L'Oreal one has, this is 100 ml, so I'm not sure. And the L'Oreal one has 100 ml, but I'm sure this has less quantity. I think the MAC one has a lot. I mean a lot. So depending on what your budget is, you can seriously get whatever you like and whatever you want, and depending if you want a dewy finish or if you want a matte finish, you can buy. I don't have any matte setting spray, not even one. I seriously don't have that. If I want to use something for every day, I will use this because it sets my face well and I like that to use every day. Then going on to the priciest, not very costly, but I mean it is pricey. So this is the Glam Glow makeup setting spray. I have the tiny version. I mean even this was for I think 70 or 80 dirhams, so very pricey, but it is seriously very good. It gives you a good illuminating look, so it looks very pretty. But seriously, I don't even use it every day because it is so tiny, it is so expensive, and I don't want to buy so expensive setting spray. I mean it is very good, but still, if I will get it for a cheaper price, then it is better. So this is the small bottle which has 28 mls and it has 0.95 O's, so it is very tiny. But I think this was for 60 or 80 dirhams, and the bigger bottle is for around 140 dirhams, and I think that is 110 ml. But this is a very beautiful setting spray which will give you nice illuminating face, not dewy one, but it will illuminate your face and it will also refresh your face. You will feel very refreshed, feel dull, so it is a very good setting spray. Then lastly, going on to Pixi. This is the Pixi Glow Mist, and I have the jumbo bottle. They have two sizes. They have their normal regular bottle and you have this jumbo bottle, but I would prefer the jumbo bottle because so this is how it looks, and it has this layer on top, so you have to mix it before using, and it gives you a very glowy face. I mean it is very glowy. I don't want to actually use it now because it will make my face more glowy, and if you use it a lot you will look very oily. So just keep that in mind and don't use a lot. Sometimes when we are using a setting spray, we kind of go overboard and use a lot. Just don't do with this because it will make you look like greasy and not good. But this one is specifically for glowy face and it is very beautiful setting spray, and I would highly recommend. Here in Sephora you can find Pixi, and I got it from Look Fantastic because there I got it for a cheaper price, and on Look Fantastic usually Pixi is for buy two get one, or they have extra 15-20% off, and I got this jumbo bottle also for a cheaper price, so I got it on a good deal. So I have this, and I have not used much, but it is a very good mist, and I would highly recommend Pixi as a brand because it is seriously very good. This is the bit bigger bottle and it has 160 ml and it has 5.41 O's, and I think this I got for 90 dirhams or 95 dirhams. And in Dubai on Sephora Middle East you will get the normal regular bottle for 95 dirhams, so I think the bigger bottle was for a much cheaper price. It has a bunch of oil in it, so it will give you a beautiful dewy look, dewy luminous look. So but don't overuse it, it would not look seriously very good, and it will hydrate your skin also and set your face and set your makeup. So just use it at the end of a makeup. So these are all the setting spray that I use every day. I don't have any other setting spray. I have backups of MAC Fix Plus and Morphe because they are very good. If I'll find this again, I will buy and keep backup because it is very good and very cheap on Look Fantastic. On Lifestyle and on Namshi I can't find it, but if I find a link I'll put in the description below. And yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what setting spray is your favorite, from which brand, and if you know any good dewy illuminating luminous kind of setting spray which you use and you know it is very good, please also share it in the comments below. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.